आज ITV के दर्शकों को और सब भारतवासियों को, दुनिया में बसे भारतवासियों को हिंदुस्तान की आज़ादी की 66वीं वर्षगांठ पर बहुत मुबारक हो।
मोहिंदर जी, सबसे पहले तो मैं इस 66वीं वर्षगांठ पे अपने भारत की इंडिपेंडेंस सेलिब्रेशन के लिए आप सबको और सब व्यूअर्स को बहुत बहुत मुबारक देता हूं। मैं अपने आप को बड़ा प्राउड फील करता हूं कि मैं एक भारतीय, अमेरिका में रहने वाला भारतीय हूं और यहाँ पे रहने वाले सब भारतीयों को मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि उनको ये बात के लिए प्राउड फील करना चाहिए कि वो सब भारतीय आज अमेरिका में भारत का नाम रोशन कर रहे हैं।
It is my great pleasure to really congratulate all the people, all Indians, and not only in this country but all across the world, to see that a small community of Indian Americans really celebrate the India's Independence Day. It should be, we are very proud. हमें बहुत गर्व है इस बात का कि हम सब लोग यहाँ पर इकट्ठे होकर एक बड़े शान से इस दिन को मना रहे हैं। और ये दिन आज ही नहीं है, 15 अगस्त को भी ये मनाया जाएगा। और यहाँ पर उसके बाद एक बड़ा गैला डिनर भी होगा फॉर ऑल दोज पीपल हु हैव सपोर्टेड द होल अफेयर। इट्स अ बिग अफेयर, big operation, and congratulate to all those people who have worked for it, but also to congratulating all the Indians in this country, particularly in this particular area, who have cooperated fully, supported it. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Well, today is the second Grand India Day Parade in Hicksville. We are very happy. We have a big turnout. All our booths are sold out. All our floats are sold out. We have more than 60 groups marching. We are looking forward for a very grand parade this year. And we are looking forward for all our grand marshals and celebrities and our county executive, all the elected officials to come and support us.
और फ्लोरा बोल रही हूँ मैं अभी बूथ साइड से आ रही हूँ। एक त्यौहार सा माहौल बना हुआ है यहाँ पे। हर किसी के चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहट है और हर किसी के चेहरे पर हर कोई खुशियाँ मनाना चाहता है, इंडिपेंडेंस डे मनाना चाहता है। चेल्सी कोली के साथ हमारी बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस आरती छाबरिया भी है हमारे साथ, जो हमारे साथ ग्रैंड मार्शलिंग करेगी। और बहुत सारी कमिटीज़, बहुत सारा योगदान, और हमारे पैसों के बगैर तो कुछ होता नहीं। तो गुप्ता जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, और बत्रा जी आपका भी, और सारी कमेटी का धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Hi guys, we're in Hicksville celebrating the second Independence Day of India. We're having a parade here today, and what a wonderful day. And we'd like to tell each of you viewers a very, very hearty congratulations for India's independence, that we're proud to celebrate in America. We are in America, and yet we hold our culture, our heritage. Would you like to say something?
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram. Thank you and congratulations, and come out and have a great time. Thank you.
So today we are celebrating our Independence Day in all our colors of the flag. You can see everybody's trying to wear white, orange, and green. And this is how we bring out, our national pride. And this is so wonderful because we are in America, but we have not forgotten our Apna Desh, Hindustan. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. My name is Rashmi Mittal. I'm member at large on Long Island Association. And I'm very, very proud to be here. And we are celebrating our independence away from India. Even we are Indians. So this is very colorful and very nice thing to be done.
आज ये देख के बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि अमेरिका में इंडिया का, जैसा कि हर साल मनाया जाता है, इंडिपेंडेंस डे मनाया जा रहा है। लोग कहते हैं कि इंडिया जो है साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में बसता है। मैं कहती हूँ हर इंडियन जो जहाँ भी रहता है, इंडिया वहाँ पर बसता है। सो आज न्यूयॉर्क में मैं देख रही हूँ सबके दिलों में इंडिया बस रहा है। जय हिंद।
I'm delighted also to be here to help celebrate India independence. We have a great, vibrant Indian community here in Nassau County, and they are growing, and we're happy to have them and as part of our multi-ethnic, multicultural community. God bless you.
I'd like to wish you all a happy 66th and to say this is what America is all about. A day like today, a beautiful day here where we're celebrating an Independence Day and we're all part of the same community. I wish you all very well.
It's an honor to be here. It really is. What a great way to celebrate, and the weather has held out, and I just wish everybody the best. See you next year again.
Hi, my name is Hiram Patel. I'm a spokesman with the Patel Brothers Group. This is our second annual India Day Parade for Long Island. We were the grand sponsors last year and this year, and we're extremely excited for the turnout that we're seeing, and we hope it's a great success like last year. And we thank not just the community, but the Nassau County Police Department and the South Asian community of Long Island for coming out to this event.
I'm Kamlesh Mehta. I'm the founder of IDP USA Parade in Long Island. Today we are gathered here at Patel Brothers Plaza to celebrate our 67th Independence Day of India.
My name is Harshad Bhatt, and today is a very auspicious day of India Day Parade held by the Long Island community, and I wish all the best of luck and many more to come. Thank you very much.
Our Honorable County Executive, Mr. Edmund Gano, is here right now, ready to march in the parade. He's also the Grand Marshal, a sponsor of the parade. We are so happy and we are so delighted. Mr. Mangano, we want to thank you for everything you have done for Nassau County, for our citizens, and you have kept to your word, what you have pledged, and we want to wish you all the best, and we want to thank you for joining us in the parade, and now we want you to say something for our TV.
Happy Independence Day. Today is such a beautiful day. We celebrate democracy and independence right here in Hicksville, Nassau County, New York, with such a wonderful, dedicated parade committee. They started this parade last year. It is growing and growing, and you can see the enthusiasm, the celebration, and the just the out-and-out joy to be here in the United States of America to celebrate Indian American independence. It's just a wonderful day to join with you. My compliments to the parade committee that has really partnered with us here in government to make certain that everyone has the opportunity here in Nassau County to pursue and achieve the American dream, to celebrate, and it is my honor to partner with India, the oldest wonderful country, and here, America, the oldest democracy, India, the largest democracy, joining hands here together to celebrate freedom.
Namaste! How you doing? This is Alexander. We're over here having a lot of fun over here at the Indian Day Parade in Hicksville, Long Island. Come join us. We're going to have so much fun.
Chairman, smile!
The guys are that side. Can you take their trophy? I think we're going to let Aarti to say a few words. Have to be very few. And then Chelsea. And then.
Firstly, a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for making it here. It gives me great honor, and it's a big privilege to be here as the Grand Marshal at the India Day Parade. I feel great that Bobby G's invited me here. Thank you so much, IDP USA and all the members of the committee and everybody connected. So before I speak anymore, I just want to say one thing, and I want everybody to go with me. Jai Hind! One more time, Jai Hind! One last time, not the last one this morning, but just one more time, Jai Hind! That's like it. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Sat Sri Akal. I've been working on it. It's such an honor to be here and to celebrate such a special day with you all. When Bobby first contacted us about being a part of the India Day Parade, it was something that myself and my singing group, the BQ Girls, were eager to jump on board to be a part of. I think anytime that you can celebrate your independence and your freedom, it's something that's very cherished and something that's very treasured. And as a former Miss USA, I understand how special that is and how special each one of you are. So I hope you have a wonderful time today. I hope you enjoy the festivities and stick around as soon as the parade's over, because myself and my BQ Girls are going to be performing later on with a very special Bollywood-inspired dance. So enjoy the parade today, and thank you so much for having us. We're truly honored to be here.
Jai Hind! Happy Independence Day. Thank you very much. Dhanyavad.
Hi, Jen. This is one from Judy Bosworth, I'm a Nassau County legislator. So happy to be here to celebrate India's Independence Day, and also so important, women's power. If you look up here, you'll see many women who are in elected office. That's something we want to continue. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Wonderful to celebrate, and wonderful to be here to celebrate with my brother Bobby. May you all have a wonderful time. Thank you.
Joy Hind, everybody. Adam Haber, running for Nassau County Executive as Democrat, September 10th. Have a great day, beautiful day, great time to be here. Thank you so much.
Hello, everyone. Namaste. Congratulations on today, the Independence Day. I'm Millie Makijani, running for town clerk in the town of Oyster Bay. Congratulations, everyone.
It's a wonderful celebration today, from the oldest democracy in the world to the largest democracy in the world. India and the United States are great partners. It's a wonderful celebration. The Indian Americans here in New York State make us stronger and better. So Jai Hind, happy Independence Day.
Bharat Mata Ki Jai!
Please, come on. Hey, hey. Come on, I want to hear you make some noise. Hey, hey.
लड़ती पतंगों में,
hey, hey.
गिरती उमंगों में, खेलों के मेलों
आशुतोष महाराज की विषय में शांति कैसे आएगी? ब्रह्म ज्ञान से। ब्रह्म ज्ञान कहाँ से मिलेगा? दिव्या ज्योति जागृति संस्थान से मिलेगा। ब्रह्म ज्ञान कौन देगा? आशुतोष महाराज की हम बाहर से आए हैं। संगठन का आयाम
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। भारत माता की, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की। Indian American Freedom Party celebrating India's independence parade. Thank you for coming.
Thank you though.
हनुमान मंदिर की, पावन सुत हनुमान की, भारत माता की।
सारण क्या तो सारण